XTPL is a company operating in the nanotechnology segment. The interdisciplinary team of XTPL develops on a global scale an innovative technology protected by international patent applications, enabling ultra-precise printing of nanomaterials. The same way we inexpensively and easily print books and newspapers today, we will be able to print solar cells, displays, or even processors in the future. However, to use the process of printing in production of this type of advanced equipment, it needs to be very precise. Our pioneering method meets this need. Thanks to the XTPL technology, ultra-thin structures increase optical transparency and enable better solar energy absorption while increasing better solar cells efficiency at the same time. They conduct electricity well and are elastic, which will make future displays consume less energy and be flexible. The heart of the XTPL technology is innovative printing head designed by company specialists. Nano inks manufactured by XTPL exhibit unique physico-chemical properties that allow obtaining desired parameters of conductive lines. The solution developed by XTPL will be used for the production of photovoltaic cells, printed electronics, biosensors, lab-on-chip devices, anti-counterfeiting solutions, and new generation of transparent conductive films. Particularly promising is the revolutionary application of the technology in the sector of open defect repair. That means repairing extremely fine broken metallic structures. Our technology is offering cost-effective, non-toxic, flexible, industry-adapted solution for this market, and especially for displays, integrated circuits, printed circuit boards, multi-chip modules, photolithographic masks, and solar cells. XTPL research and development team is consistently optimizing its innovative technology and adapting the process for further applications.
This is an example of a very interesting company that we found with some very key technologists that developing something that's very differentiated, very hard. They're obviously developing it in a much smaller market here, but when we met the team, we were very impressed that they could actually take what they have developed and what they learned and bring it to the US market and apply it to a market that's multiple of times bigger than their current market. And we think there is actually quite a chance for them to get into the market and really expand that market and be very successful, because we believe in the strength of the team. This is a really amazing team that we have found. We've seen with very limited amount of funding and resources and very short time, they've done something that takes longer to do actually in US, and we think this team has a very good chance of success in the US territory. The opportunities are huge. You are going after multi-billion-dollar markets. As I said, I think for the startups, discipline and focus is really key. So what you have to do is early on, you got to pick your battle, you got to pick your market, you're going to execute to that, and then kind of create a beachhead and then sort of expand from there. And so coming to US market, that's the discipline you're going to have. I mean, it's any market, but in particular in US, because the customers are very demanding. And so you cannot spread yourself too thin. You're a small team with small resources, so you got to really execute, go into a particular customer, deliver, and then sort of build the name and build the brand and go from there. That will be the key to your success.
I'm really proud of XTPL team. Such a complicated project requires an interdisciplinary experience. Among our team members, we have physicists, chemists, programmers, electrical engineers, specialists in material science and numerical simulations, all of whom have worldwide experience in their fields. Being a part of a company like XTPL is a reason to be proud. It makes you feel that you are creating something that will soon contribute to a global technological revolution. And in fact, change the rules of the game.